What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a $10 screen protector for the S25 Ultra. So I recently picked up the S25 Ultra and I needed a screen protector for it, so here we go. This thing was super cheap. It was $9.99 I believe, or $9.88 from Walmart. It's surprisingly heavy, the box anyway, so I figured, hey, let's give it a try, see what's going on, and for roughly $10, what could go wrong? The packaging looks nice, nothing really crazy to see here. It does say that it comes with an applicator, which is pretty neat. One of those frames, I'm guessing, to put it on. So I'm pretty excited to see that. It is rather tightly packaged in here, so we will see. Okay, so the instructions are inside the box. I'm not really sure what I'm looking at here when I first get it, but for $10, it does seem like it comes with an awful lot. So it looks pretty straightforward. Clean the phone down, place it in the tray, pull the tab, and Bob's your uncle, or whatever. What does it even mean, Bob's your uncle? Is it Bob? It's Bill? What is it? Someone tell me in the description below. But anyway, so I'm going to clean it again just because it says to, and I'm nuts. So I want to put this thing on once and give it another cleaning. I'm going to use the microfiber here instead of the dry cloth. Looks beautiful. This phone has literally been out of the original package for like 10 minutes, so I do not really need to clean it. But again, I don't want to have to reapply this if there's something on the screen. So go over it pretty good with the sticky tape. It doesn't say to lift this cover up, but just lay it in there, I guess. Press it down. It was a very tight fit. Did not inspire a ton of confidence. And then I guess I just pull this tab here. This does not feel great. Not super excited to look at my brand new phone under here. I hope I didn't just mess up the screen or something. Let's see. So it did not put the screen protector on. And now my screen's a little dirty, but not a problem. We'll clean this thing off real quick. And it didn't mess this up, but it's only on the second layer of plastic. I wonder if I was supposed to lay it in between, but who cares? We'll see what we can make happen here. I'm going to give it another cleaning and just YOLO this thing. All right, here we go. It's now on there and looks pretty good. The installation's pretty terrible. I might have done something wrong, but the screen protector is pretty straightforward, no problem. So if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And lots of peace signs to you. Later.